Feeling overwhelmed by the constant hustle and bustle of daily life? What if I told you that a powerful antidote to stress and anxiety might be waiting right outside your door, or even on your windowsill? Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're digging into something truly special, the profound connection between gardening and our mental well-being. It's more than just a hobby. It's a form of therapy, a way to reconnect with ourselves and the natural world in a very real, tangible way. Think about it. When you're gardening, you're fully present. Your hands are in the soil. You're focused on the delicate task of planting a seed or watering a thirsty plant. This simple act is a form of mindfulness. It pulls you out of the whirlpool of anxious thoughts and grounds you in the here and now. The gentle rustle of leaves, the scent of fresh earth, the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's a sensory experience that calms the nervous system. And it's not just a feeling, there's science behind it. Studies have shown that interacting with soil can actually make you happier. A specific bacterium found in healthy soil, Mycobacterium vaccae, has been found to trigger the release of serotonin in the brain, much like an antidepressant. So, that feeling of joy you get from digging in the dirt, it's real and it's biological. It's nature's own mood booster. Let's hear from someone who has experienced this firsthand. Meet Sarah, a busy professional who was struggling with burnout. "I was constantly stressed, my mind racing a mile a minute," Sarah shares. "A friend suggested I start a small herb garden on my balcony. At first I was skeptical, but then something amazing happened. Tending to my little plants for just 15 minutes a day became my sanctuary. Watching them grow from tiny seeds gave me a sense of accomplishment and hope. It taught me patience. That little balcony garden became my quiet escape, my reset button." Sarah's story is so powerful because it highlights another key benefit: nurturing. Caring for a living thing, watching it thrive because of your attention and effort, gives us a deep sense of purpose and responsibility. In a world where so much feels out of our control, cultivating a garden, no matter how small, gives us a space where we are the creators, the nurturers. This process builds confidence and combats feelings of helplessness. You don't need a huge backyard to start. A few pots on a balcony, a vertical garden on a wall, or even a small indoor setup for herbs can work wonders. The key is to begin. Start with something simple like mint or basil, which are quite forgiving for beginners. The goal isn't to create a perfect magazine-worthy garden. The goal is to create a space for you. Gardening is a journey, not a destination. It teaches us about the cycles of life, about patience, and about resilience. Some plants will flourish, others might not, and that's okay. It's a beautiful metaphor for life itself. It encourages us to let go of perfection and simply enjoy the process of growth. So, I invite you to give it a try. Find a small space, get a little soil, and plant a seed. Let nature work its gentle magic on your mind and spirit. You might just discover a source of calm and joy you never knew was there. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little more green in their life. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a healthier, happier life. We'd love to hear about your gardening journey in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening.